Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. Today's video we will look at the 10 top performing stocks looking at the last 1 year. Between this time last year, 2025, July to July 2026. So I'm going to pick some of them so that we get to talk about them. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's take it off. I just want you to know that the first half of 2026, the Nigerian exchange delivered a very strong performance. And if you've been watching the market, you will see that the all share index has added over 75,000 points. And currently, we are around 247,000. And it has been amazing. So the last 1 year, investors have been booking a lot of capital gains with market capitalization rising to 99 trillion naira, and that is simply amazing. So let's look at some stocks that are what I call the standout performance during the period of 2025 to 2026. And like I said, we're going to be looking at capital appreciation. We're not going to be looking at the stocks that pay dividends. We're just going to look at how they have appreciated. And I want you to take note of certain things. There are some of them that have appreciated and they have dropped. There are some of them that have appreciated and they are still holding on. So we have over 100%. Some did over 1,000%. And of course, you may not have heard some of the names I'm going to call. So I'm hoping you are ready for today's list. I just wanted to see that some stocks have really been doing amazing things. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to the end. You will get to see the stocks. Let me know if you own any of the stocks I just mentioned. And let me know if you booked your profits, especially those of them that dropped. So watch the video to the end. Please like this video, drop a comment for me, and remember that in this channel you learn how to make your money work for you. So don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, YouTube helps to share this video to more people. Thank you very much. And of course, this video is for educational purposes. So you may be guessing that the banking sectors are going to make the list, right? That's what you're thinking. Maybe the banking sectors are part of this. So let's get into the first one. Let's see if the banking sector stocks made it. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Zichis Agro Allied Industrial Industries PLC. This is a new stock. It's actually a Nigerian agribusiness company that delivered a standout performance just this year alone. So I've been, the other ones I'm looking at 2025 to 2026, but this particular company, they got listed and this stock ran from 1 naira to almost 40 naira before it pulled back. As you can see here, you can see this jump to 40 naira. In fact, it crossed 40 naira before it pulled back to around 25. And right now we're around 27. So if we are currently going to look at this, let's say someone invested 1 million when this stock was around 2 naira, and it is currently 27 naira 20 kobo. If they had invested 1 million naira, you would have, as at today, 13.6 million. That is 1,260%. This is amazing. So they reported their financial results and they had a pre-tax profit of 241 million compared to 30.5 million that they reported in 2025. So for me, they had a lot of surge in revenue, and that's really put them on the map. So if you look at what they do, their key focus is on eggs, feed meal products, palm oil products, and they all recorded significant growth. Did you buy this? Do you have this stock at all? All right, let's look at the second one. SCOA, SCOA. So these people specialize in distributing, maintaining, and leasing motor vehicles. And, it's like a boring business. I'm sure you never thought of this. It's a boring business. And this stock, they used to be below 10 naira. They used to be below 10 naira. So let us say that from 10 naira, they jumped to almost 40 naira, making an almost a 500% increase. It was amazing. So you can see here 495%. But if you're looking at if you bought it at 10 naira and then from 10 naira it jumped to 38 naira, that's a 280% in profit. So it depends on when you bought it. If you bought it when it was around 5 naira, you'll definitely be around 495% currently. So when they started this year, they started 2026 at around 7 naira. And by June, it had hit, I think it was in May that it hit 38 naira. So this company is a boring company and they are actually making people money. So do you have it? The third one I'm going to talk about is Union Daikon Salt. So everybody knows about Dangote sugar. Most people know about Dangote salt. But do you know about Union Daikon Salt? This company has been there for years and they manufacture seasonings in consumer goods sector. And they had this sharp growth and that they did so well. They also recorded some losses. But the thing is that I think at some point they stopped doing heavy businesses and then they recently bounced back. So I looked at some of I just looked at their performance. I just noticed that by this time last year, this stock was around 10 naira. And then sometime in January, February, this stock had a huge leap from 10 naira to 22 naira. And then it touched almost 24 naira. So if you had bought this stock, say around 10 naira last year, and by this time, you'll still be at 130%. That is really nice. That's a very good performance, if you ask me. And then the next one I'm going to talk about is RT Briscoe. RT Briscoe is a diversified solution provider in Nigeria. They provide Toyota automobile sales and services, CNG conversion. So I think the boom they had was because of the CNG conversion. Because when federal government started encouraging people to do CN conversion, states like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt were like the key places. They had a lot of boom, and of course they have some industrial equipment that people use. So this is also another boring business. They're into automobile, and they've been sleeping around 4 naira for a long time, and then they had this jump to 18 naira. It pulled back to 8 naira. We jumped on that offer in our community, and this stock ran to 17 naira. That was a beautiful move, 100%. So even if you missed it at that, you could have simply netted another 50%, 100%. So that's how this stock jumped. Now the next I'm going to talk about, I'm going to run, is Berger Paint. With the advent, how the boom is right now in real estate. A lot of properties, people are buying lands, people are building, we have a lot of apartments and so many things. Paint is one major thing. You cannot build without painting. So painting has really done so well. This company used to be a 30 naira stock company, and then look at the boom they had from November. It started moving, but by January, February, March, it had this huge leap to 170 naira, giving us a 466% for those that bought it around 30 naira. That has been an amazing, even though you can see here it's been dropping from 170 to 132. It's looking good. The dip is, for me, it is actually a very good dip, and they're not the only ones in the paint industry. You can see, I'm going to show you another one called Cap. They also did very well. Then Red Star is another stock I want to put on your radar. This stock has been sleeping below 10 naira, and then for some reason they just jumped from 10 naira to 37 naira, and you can see this dip from 37 naira has dropped to 18. So sometimes leveraging on dips can be good, but before you leverage on dips, please make sure you have done your research, because some companies may be returning they'll just be going home. You would think that they're still going to jump all the way back. So do your research before you consider buying this on a dip, because this is a good opportunity. Getting it at 18 naira and jumping back to 37 is still going to give you another 100%. But be careful. Don't just jump in because I said so. Do your own research. The second paint company is Chemical and Allied Products. This also used to be around 80 naira, just like the other one that was sleeping around 30 naira, and then jumped to 230 naira, giving us 187%. That paint stain was something I didn't even think of. I honestly didn't look into that direction because you cannot definitely invest in every sector. But this, I recently found out that these companies have been doing very well. And then, of course, Better Glass. Better Glass, by this time last year, was around 300 naira and it touched 600 naira. So many people who jumped on the offer last year. Last year, Better Glass was one of the stocks that, were making waves and people jumped on the offer. So depending on when you actually bought the stock, if you bought around 300 or 400, you could have made a very good 100% profit. This is 100% actually. And then Okomo Oil is another stock that did well for me. It used to be an 880, 800, 750 naira stock that jumped to 1,750. And this is one stock that I am loving the dip. I am seriously loving this dip. It is sweeting me. So, like I said, before you buy any dip, please do your own research. It will do you good. You have to be sure you're buying know the reason why you're buying, know how long you're going to hold it. Because I may buy my own for short term, you may be buying for long term. So know why you're buying and understand those little things. So it's always important to understand that money can always be made. You can see that I didn't mention any bank, right? Did you see any bank mentioned here? You did not see that. So when I started the video, I said, let's see if there's any bank that actually made it. But really, this is one of the best times to invest. A lot of good things are happening in the Nigerian stock market, and the good thing about it is that it's easy for you to actually start. You have 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, get started. You can pick a stock and decide that this stock, I'm going to keep buying it until I get to 100,000 shares, something like that. You can pick a small stock, penny stock that is solid, and you can buy and buy and buy and buy until you get to 1,000 shares, 500,000 shares, 1 million shares. But if you really want to learn more, please come and join our community. Come and join other amazing wealth builders and see what we are doing. We're not just doing Nigerian stocks, we're doing US stocks, mutual fund, and every other opportunity. Long-term, short-term, combo. Recommendations, you're going to get it. We are focusing on the mega trend. We're doing dividend challenge. You learn and understand compound interest and how it can work for you, work for your children, and work for your children's children. Please consider joining. We have few slots. 2 slots are now remaining. And if you really want to get access, please, the link is the first one in the description. If you really want to send an email to me, please, this is the email address, finwiseafricatribe@gmail.com. Reach out to me and I'll definitely reply back. And I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I hope you learned. Let me know the stocks that you had that, among these ones I mentioned, or maybe you tell me the ones you had that really did well. I'm not saying others did not do well. I just wanted to pick the ones that probably you did not think of them. That's why I made this particular list. So please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And I'll see you in another video.